quick reading for the entire month of March, Taurus. Your cards are the Emperor, the Queen of Cups, and the Six of Wands. So, napansin natin yung pagiging controlling ni person, no, nitong mga nakaraang buwan. And it felt like medyo napapansin mong parang binabaliwala ka, parang feeling mo hindi ka masyadong binibigyan ng importansya ni person. Ngayon, itong months na ito, parang mas ipaparamdam niya sa iyo na siguro that is an apology without even saying a word, no, apologize siya through actions. And I feel like meron din itong madaming pasabog this month of March. And one of those are probably meron siyang i-share sa iyo about their achievements, no? Or kasi with the Six of Wands, talagang isang magandang balita na parang sa'yo muna ipapaalam, no? At parang hahayaan na, ano ba, i-share ba natin to sa iba? Or hayaan ko na lang muna na ikaw na ang mag-decide about this pasabog, no? So this is your quick reading, Taurus, for the entire month of March.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.